Seeking to improve the quality of our work, we asked, what is quality content? Now, if you are creating content constantly, pay attention. There are two ways to measure stuff, whether it's content or whatever it might be. Number one is leading indicators. These are the things that you do to make things happen, including diet, exercise, writing content, or building projects for your marketing campaign. Number two, there are lagging indicators. These are the results that happen as an outcome of what you do, including if you exercise, you're gonna lose weight. If you have the right marketing copy, you're gonna close deals. If you distribute your content, you're gonna get traffic. Personally, I invest in content marketing, so I would expect results like increase in SEO rankings, clicks, traffics, and lead magnet signups. Now, how do we influence such results? I love this list by AHA Media. Findable, readable, understandable, actionable, and shareable are the characteristics of great content. Again, findable, readable, understandable, actionable, and shareable. These are objective and timeless. Social media rules can change, technology can evolve, these principles stay the same. If you're like us, you maintain an active online presence because you know that it leads to great results. Your website, your social media accounts, and so on. Because you publish often, you want to occasionally take a step back and ask, what should you do more of and what should you do less of? This is ongoing work. Findability might be a timeless principle, but the way to get there tends to evolve based on the landscape of social, search engines, and whatnot. Want your content to be engaging and actionable? The audience evolves. What used to work before may now have been overdone and be generally regarded as spam. You need to keep aligning your approach to what works now. Okay, let's wrap this up. Remember, content has to be findable, readable, understandable, actionable, and shareable. You want to review your CTA copy, you want to review your headline formula, and so on. Based on your latest marketing projects, how did you practice the 5 said principles in ways that produce your desired results? For example, website traffic, opt-ins, brand awareness, and more. Do more of what is working now. This has been Alan from northstories.io. Keep on investing in your approach. Keep on evolving your work. Execute, watch things closely, rinse, repeat, keep refining, and do right by your audience. Cheers and enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, and if you want more content like this, a thumbs up will be appreciated.